channel. Doing training. We do a good day for them. Let's see how they fly. So most of them, they know how to use the trap. Come out this way, go. That's good. Everybody out now. I'll show you where they're flying. This hen, she dropped the 3 feathers together. So she doesn't want to fly. I'm not going to push her. Let me just have a look where it's flying. Only one white one took off. Oh, the second one there. That's good. The white one, they're flying over there by themselves. They just come back. Good to see. They're going far away and come back. Now they join the racing team. I made this flap. Just put the plastic on the stick. My pigeon, they just come back and sit in the roof after 10 minutes. Okay. Let's see if this thing works. I think it works. If they're scared of it, okay, we try. Just let them up again. Only these are the lazy ones sitting there. I flag them up again. Only 1 or 2 sit there. Most of them they fly. That's good. Okay, let's see how long they fly. We have the small issue. You can see after rain there's a wet hair because the plastic roof is a bit smaller this side, so the water come this way and go inside the loft. I have some plastic left over. I'm gonna make it all the way overhanging so water doesn't go in. Okay, we tried to fix that problem and we should be good to go. I've got this plastic seat left over. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna combine together and put more seat on the roof. Okay, let's see. Like and subscribe if you like my stuff. I'll keep putting whatever I do.